Hey you guys, if you all would like to see how I got this super beautiful, bomb, soft, defined twist out using berry curl conditioner, and I also showed y'all the heal and repair deep conditioner, both by OLIE Oils. If you want to see how I got this result, this amount of softness using these two products, then keep watching this video. I can't wait for y'all to see. I really enjoyed the process of using these. Like, I enjoyed applying them along with the softness and moisture and the other benefits that came. So if you want to see and hear some more information on the products, please keep watching my video. Okay, you guys, so since this video is a review, I'm going to spend a lot of time talking about these products. So as you see, I'm starting off with freshly conditioned and shampooed hair, and I'm about to deep condition it, and I'm using this Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner by OLIE Oils. That's what the product looks like. It was nice, soft, and creamy, if that makes sense. So I split my hair in half and put oil on my scalp. And then I'm going to apply this Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner. So this Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner is for dry, brittle, overly porous hair and or hair that needs a little love, and conditioning hair from roots to tip, leaving hair feeling soft and manageable. And as you'll see, once I actually apply the product, that statement is true. My hair was left very soft and manageable. My hair felt very healthy. I'm going to go ahead and let you see how my hair reacts to it when I first apply it. So as you're starting to see, my hair is actually quickly absorbing it in. My hair is really loving it. So I will say this product has protein in it, which I will get to in just a second. So if you're extremely protein sensitive, I would definitely recommend not using this every week if you're interested. But some of the ingredients are organic aloe juice, peppermint leaf extract, yucca leaf extracts, horsetail leaf extract, nettle leaf extract, melissa leaf extract, soybean oil, red palm oil, organic pumpkin seed oil, shea butter, hydrolyzed wheat protein, vitamin B12, pumpkin extract, cinnamon, ginger root powder, nutmeg powder, and allspice powder. And those last few ingredients, y'all, got this product smelling so delicious. It smells like cinnamon toast crunch. This product smells delicious, all while containing no fragrances. So that's really good for people with like sensitive scalp. But as you can see, I applied oil to seal it in and put my hair in a twist, and then I did the other side off camera. And as you can see, this is my hair before I rinsed out the deep conditioner, and then this is after. Look at like how you can really see my curls. My hair was so moisturized. So now, I'm sorry I rushed through that. Hopefully you got, you know, what I was saying. But this right here, this clip is about a day or two later after rinsing out the deep conditioner. I think it's the next day actually. And now I'm going in with this berry curl conditioner to, you know, style my hair. So I used the deep conditioner, now I'm using this berry curl conditioner, and I'm going to give y'all all the deets on this. But this is what the product looks like. It is a little bit thicker than the deep conditioner, not much. It's still very, very creamy and very, very moisturizing. So I'm splitting my hair, splitting the back section off. At first I did it from ear to ear, then I decided to take some more off, and then I'm going to split that back section in half, which you will see I'm showing you I'm doing a diagonal part. And then I'm going to get started with the moisturizing process. And also when I do twist outs, I do the diagonal part just to eliminate the harsh lines. I don't want no big part, and you know, in the middle I want it kind of covered, and a diagonal part helps with that. So now I'm starting off spraying my hair with water. Since my hair was dry when I first got started, it did take a minute to get it fully drenched, you know. But now I'm going in with my Evolve brush to get rid of all of my tangles. And, you know, obviously, like I just said, my hair was dry. So, you know, it wasn't too tangled, but, you know. So now I'm going in with this berry curl conditioner. I'm going in with that much. The smell of this conditioner is, it's a very light scent. I actually can't like give a specific smell, but it kind of smells like lotion. But look at this, y'all. Look at my curls after applying this berry curl conditioner. My hair looks so freaking moisturized. I'm going to apply more. I apply a lot of product when I do twist outs. My hair just requires lots of product. I cannot tell you why, but I'm making sure to focus it on my ends. And now I got my brush working it through, and now I'm going to seal it in. I'm using this Raw Beauty hair butter. I actually have another twist out video, you know, talking about it, and I have an unboxing. I have those down below, but I'm working that in because I'm using that because it worked so well with my last twist out, and it just really did seal in my moisture. So yeah, but now I am, you know, twisting my hair. I'm going to twist all the way down. I make sure to twist pretty tight, and then when I get to the ends, I'm just going to twirl my end. Now that my hair is short and healthy, like I said in my last twist out video, it's no need for me to use perm rods. My hair just stays twisted. And this is me doing the other side. You see how my hair looks with the product on it. Going to twist that, and you're just going to see the whole process. While you watch me go through the rest of my head, I'm going to tell you about this berry curl conditioner. So it is a moisturizing conditioner for curl definition and hydration. In this video can vouch for that. So this works great as a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner. So you can use it as either one. So some of the ingredients for this berry curl conditioner includes organic aloe juice, shea butter, babasu seed oil, castor seed oil, honey, blueberry extract, cranberry extract, benzoic acid, dehydroacetic acid, sorry if I said that wrong, citric acid, panthenol, and fragrance. So while the Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner is fragrance free, this berry curl conditioner has a fragrance in it, but like I said, it's a very, very light scent. It's like extremely light. Like I said earlier, it smells like a very light lotion scent. Like you'll know what I mean if you've ever smelt it, pretty much. And I will have their website and Instagram link down below, the OLIE Oils website and Instagram. But actually, she recently repackaged the berry curl conditioner, and it's packaged in the same type of packaging as the Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner. Like, the packaging is extremely similar now. So if you go onto the website, it won't look like the jar I have. It will look more like the deep conditioner, by the way. I know I've done a lot of talking about the product, but hopefully you've been able to keep up with what I'm actually doing. So this is what my twist is looking like so far. And for this top section, again, to eliminate those harsh lines, I'm doing a diagonal part. So my twist on top was very like skinny compared to the ones in the back. The ones in the back were a lot thicker. I have 5 in the back, and I have 6 on either side on top. Not 6, 3 on either side on top. And yeah, that's what it looks like. And yeah, my hair is very moisturized, as you can see. So once I finished, I did the other side off camera, and then this is how my hair looks when all were done. Like I said, I had 5 in the back, 6 on top. That's 11 twists in all, I believe. That's actually, I don't know if that's more than I did last time or not, but since I had a middle part this time, I had to do it differently. So this is what my twists look like when they're completely done. They dried overnight. They completely dried. My hair was not wet at all. So I applied some oil to my hands. And now I'm going to unravel my hair. I almost said separate. I'm going to unravel. And as you can see, although the twists on top were skinny, I had some pretty good definition, which you'll be able to see better in just a moment. In the back were a bit juicier, so as you see right here, I had some pretty good definition. Right here you'll see again, like the curls just look really, really good. pull my hair up so I can see the section I'm working on. So now I'm separating, as you can see. And to separate, I just separate my hair, not necessarily where it naturally separates, but at the same time kind of where it naturally separates. And I just go down the curl and twirl it around my finger. As you can see it a lot better right here. And it's like medium sections. They're not like too tiny, but they're not big at all. And I just I do that around my whole head. It takes a little bit of time, but since my hair was so soft and moisturized, it went by very quickly because it was easy. And I knew my hair was gonna look good. Like, it was so soft and so defined. It was so easy to separate because my hair was so freaking moisturized. Like, I separated this section very quickly. Like, this is sped up obviously, but it was quick. And yeah, my hair just looks so good and moisturized. So this is my hair with this middle part and how the curls look. Y'all, I did not want to look like the Mad Hatter, so I made sure I fluffed the best I could. I don't have hair that gets super big volume or anything, so I just worked with what I had. I separated more curls and just tried to get it to shape my face good and look good. Once I get done with that and I change my outfit, put some jewelry on, this is the final product. This is not the end of the video yet, but I just wanted to show you this clip because the lighting in my bathroom was superb and my hair was just so good and so bouncy and so full of life. I just wanted to show y'all these clips. This is just a different angle in my bedroom, showing you a little spin around before I get to the end of this video. Okay, you guys, so that is it for this video, for this tutorial. As you can see, when I was taking my hair down, I had loads of definition. I still have loads of definition. My hair is just struggling to have volume today. That has nothing to do with the products, but you know, my hair keep going flat and I don't want to look like the Mad Hatter with this middle part. So I'm trying to keep myself looking right, but you know, that's besides the point. My hair is super soft. Like I mentioned multiple times throughout this video, throughout my voiceovers, I really did enjoy each of these products. This Heal and Repair Deep Conditioner, both by OLIE Oils. OLIE Oils, I loved. I would not expect a deep conditioner that's meant to heal and repair to be as moisturizing as this was. And this was so super duper uber moisturizing. Like, y'all, so moisturizing. And both of these products are fragrance free. They are unscented, but like I mentioned, this smells like cinnamon. The natural ingredients really like smell good, you know what I mean? And they are super softening to my hair. My hair was so moisturizing. Like, immediately my hair just sucked that moisture in. And as for this berry curl conditioner, this was a lot more moisturizing than I was personally expecting. I don't know what I was expecting, but I was pleasantly surprised when I was applying this to my hair and how moisturizing it was. As you know, I'm sure I mentioned when I was doing my voiceovers, and just by the footage, y'all, like, my hair was just so moisturized. And as of right now, my hair is so soft, so soft. I really did enjoy both of those products. As of right now, as I'm recording, I don't have like a discount code or anything like that, but I will just have the website linked down below. I really did love these products, and it's always just awesome to support small Black woman-owned businesses. So if you're into that like I am, again, you might want to consider checking them out and following them on Instagram. I will have the Instagram linked down below as well. But that is it for this video. I really did enjoy these products. I enjoyed doing my hair with these products. It was a pleasant experience, and I hope you enjoyed watching me use these products. So yeah, that's it. Make sure to give me a big thumbs up. Comment anything down below. Comment, would you try OLIE oils? Are you interested? comment, let me know what you think. Share this video with a friend and subscribe to my channel. I hit 400 subscribers and now I'm on the road to 500. So if you're watching this and you are not subscribed, help me make that 500 goal happen. Subscribe and I would just greatly appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.